Hello everyone, welcome to Key Talks, your go-to channel for tech insights. I am Natarajan, Director of Technology Services at Kavi India. Databases are the backbone of modern digital systems, ensuring seamless data storage, management, and access across industries. From powering real-time analytics to maintaining security and scalability, they play a crucial role in business operations. Now, let's dive into the key roles of databases and explore how they drive efficiency and innovation. Data storage and management. Every click, purchase, or login generates data. Databases store user profiles, transactions, and logs while enabling instant access to critical business information. Supporting business logic. From user authentication to order processing, databases power core functionalities, ensuring seamless operations behind the scenes. Real-time data access. Speed matters. Technologies like Azure Cosmos DB and Firebase enable real-time updates, ensuring instant stock prices, notifications, and customer interactions. Scalability and performance. More traffic, no problem. Cloud databases scale effortlessly with features like read replicas and sharding to handle growing user demands. Data integrity and security. Security is non-negotiable. Databases enforces encryption, access controls, and validation rules to protect sensitive information. Backup and disaster recovery. Disasters strike unexpectedly. Automated backups and geo-replication keep data safe and businesses running. API and service integration. Modern apps thrive on connectivity. Databases integrated with APIs, microservices, and analytical platforms, enabling seamless data exchange. Multimodal database support. Different problems need different databases, whether structured SQL, flexible NoSQL, or lightning fast Redis for caching. AI and advanced analytics. AI meets data. Predictive analytics and machine learning models help businesses optimize operations and customer experiences. From AI-driven optimization to serverless scalability, databases are evolving faster than ever. Get ready to explore the cutting-edge innovations shaping the future of databases. Multimodal databases. One engine, multiple data models. Example, Azure Cosmos DB, MongoDB, and ArangoDB. Distributed and cloud native. High availability across nodes. Example, Google Spanner, Azure Cosmos DB, Cockroach DB. Serverless databases. Auto-scaling, zero infrastructure hassle. Example, Azure SQL Database Serverless, Amazon Aurora Serverless. Real-time sync, live updates across devices. Example, Firebase Real-Time Database, Azure Cosmos DB with change fee. In-memory speed, instant caching, ultra-fast processing. New SQL, NoSQL flexibility plus SQL consistency. Example, Google Spanner, TADB, Cockroach DB. Edge computing, low latency, storage closer to users. Example, Cloudflare Workers KV, AWS DynamoDB Global Tables. Graph databases, complex relationships, AI-driven insights. Example, Neo4j, Azure Cosmos DB. Time series analytics, optimized for monitoring timestamped data and IoT. Example, InfluxDB, Timescale DB, Azure Data Explorer. Database as a service, fully managed, scalable, stress-free. Example, Azure SQL Database, Amazon RDS, Google Cloud SQL. Advanced security, encryption, role-based access, compliance ready. AI-driven optimization, smarter queries, faster indexing. Stay tuned. In our next episode, we will explore authentication and authorization in detail. Don't miss it. Like, share and subscribe if you found this useful, and share your thoughts in the comment box on your favorite innovation in databases.